I think,
Sure, certainly.
I was sitting last week with a client, and so he bought in 2019 nice flats, good area,
Mm-hmm.
no
Yeah.
problem whatsoever. 600,000 rand a unit.
Mm.
Then COVID struck, which everyone will, do the response. But the reality is the property values dropped to 350, and it only started to recover about 2 years ago. So for
Mm.
that period, his income was around about 4,000 rand a unit, and it suddenly dropped to 2.5 for a period of 3 years.
Mm.
So, and he said, I just couldn't sell it. No one wanted, well, I could, but the thing is, I was financing it. And then suddenly my whole model fell flat and it was a cash flow issue, et cetera, et cetera. And I think that's one of the market fluctuations,
Yeah.
in certain areas that you actually are unable to manage when you use it. And I always say to people, not every property is an investment. The fact that you are
Yeah.
buying a property doesn't mean it's an investment. The numbers must confirm it.